Why do you want to marry? Understanding your reasons before saying, yes, I do. Welcome to BlissHills Relationship and Marital Hub, your go-to space for real talk about love, relationship, and godly marriages. I am Hilary Usoha, your faith-based relationship and marriage coach. Today, we are diving deep into a critical question that every single or engaged person must ask themselves. Why do I want to marry? It's a very important, very crucial question you must ask yourself today. Why do I want to marry? Now, this is not just a casual question. It is one question that will shape your future. It is that one question that will shape your destiny, your peace of mind also, and your purpose in life. Now, if you are planning to get married or you are already engaged, please take time, listen to this teaching, and note the following points now. Number one point you must note is that marriage is a purpose, not pressure. Marriage is a purpose and not pressure. And too many people rush into marriage today because of societal pressures or societal expectations or family demands. But I want you to know that marriage is a God-ordained purpose, not a race against time. Before you say, I do, please ask this question. Is this my decision or someone else's timeline? Be sure that it is your own calculated decision, that you are not marrying according to someone else's timeline or according to someone else's idea. Number 2 point you must note, you need to ask yourself this question, please. Very important question you need to ask yourself before getting married. Are you looking for a partner or a provider? Give yourself the answer. Are you looking for a partner or a provider? Be honest with yourself, because marriage is a lifelong decision. Normally, from the scriptural point of view, it's a journey of no return. You marry forever. Be honest to yourself. Do you want to marry a partner to share your life with, or are you just looking for a financial security or emotional rescue? You want someone to save you financially or rescue you emotionally. Marriage is not a bailout plan. It is a partnership that is built on shared vision, trust, and growth. Now, number 3 point you must note again: emotional readiness versus emotional neediness. They are two different things. Emotional readiness or emotional neediness. Ask yourself, do you want to marry because you feel you feel whole or ready to share your life, or because you are lonely and think marriage will fix your loneliness? Ask yourself, are you ready to marry because you are ready to share your life with someone else, or you are marrying because you feel lonely and you feel marriage will cure it? No. And I can assure you here that loneliness in marriage after you have entered is worse than loneliness in singleness. It's better to be single and lonely than to be married and now be lonely. Make sure you are marrying out of readiness, not out of desperation. Number 4 point to note, ask yourself, are you marrying for God's will or your own wish? Is it for God's will or your own wish? Have you prayed and discern if marriage, especially to this person you are planning to attach yourself to, is aligned with God's will, or is it according to your own wish? Very important. Remember, marriage is a spiritual covenant. It's not just a romantic dream. And knowing God's will, I can assure you, will help you build on the right foundation. Very importantly, number 5 point you must note is this: be aware that vision alignment matters also in marriage. Vision alignment. Marriage is not just about love, it's about direction. Do you and your partner share the same value? Do you share the same goals? Do you even share the same faith? If we are not working in the same direction, and I tell you, love alone won't carry the weight of this journey. That's the truth. Many have not told you. Love alone does not carry the weight of the journey of marriage. A lot of things join to bear the burden, the weight of marriage. Before you marry, sit yourself down, sit with God. You know why I say this? Sit down yourself alone, ask yourself questions, give yourself answers, and also sit with God, plan with God. Ask this question: why do I really want to marry? And if your answer aligns with purpose, if it aligns with growth, if it aligns with God's plans, then go forward with confidence. But if it is rooted in fear, pressure, or neediness, pause, please, pause, reflect, and grow first. Then after growth, then you go into marriage. And as I'm closing, remember, this is BlissHills Relationship and Marital Hub, where we guide you with biblical wisdom and practical truth for stronger relationship and lasting love. Remember, God made Adam and Eve, the first humans on earth, and then he made them to come together and form a home. So if you are not doing it according to God's plan, forget it, might not work. And if this teaching has blessed your life, please remember to like, share, and also subscribe to BlissHills Relationship and Marital Hub for more godly relationship ideas that will help you shape your marriage and your destiny. And I believe I'm going to see you in our next video. The Lord bless you for joining us today. Goodbye.